Alright guys, got a nice little muggy day here. Gonna make a quick $30 profit in like 20 minutes of work, so let's get to it. Alright, so I got a customer that wants a lat pull down bar that holds, you know, weight for a lat pull down on a 1-to-1 pulley. So it's gonna need to hold like upwards of 300 pounds, right? So here's my design for it, really quick and simple. It's gonna be a flat 1/4-inch plate bottom, tube, you know, vertical piece, and then we're gonna put a little bar, a piece of stock right through the middle of it to use as an anchor point for a clip. Very simple layout of everything. I'm going to use 12 inches of 1/4 wall DOM because I have it laying around $10 worth. Some 1/2 inch stock, have it laying around, you know, free basically, but everything costs a little bit of money. And some 1/4 inch plate steel that I just have laying around from, you know, a truck project. So I'm going to charge the guy 40 bucks. We already agreed on a price. Quick $30 profit for, you know, like 20 minutes of work. So that's pretty good. I've got it laying out right here. Here's the DOM, nice and thick. Here's the 1/2 inch stock for using the clip, and here's the, you know, piece of plate metal from whatever truck project this came off. I just had it laying around in my miscellaneous scrap bin. So stick along, we're gonna have a good time with this one. Alright guys, all the pieces are made. Got a little, you know, 1/2 inch stock. The 1/4 wall DOM is cut, ready to go. Stock's gonna go through this hole up there, get welded smooth. You won't even be able to tell it's there. And, you know, we got the bottom plate that we plasma cut out of that sheet steel from the truck frame, some truck frame. So we're gonna go ahead and zap these together and finish it off, clean it up, and we're gonna call it done. Alright, went ahead and laid some paint down on it as well to stop the flash rust, and then I also decided to add an upper clip. That way it's easier to put the weightlifting clip on it. So that's just like that is a U-joint strap actually that I had laying around because obviously I got drive shaft work going on. So, but yeah, that's the final product, and you know, just a quick easy 30 bucks. And you know, the strongman who I built this for, who like, you know, routinely does 300-pound 1-to-1 lat pull downs, like never gonna break this. This is as stout as it can be. It's 1/4 inch, so we're looking pretty with that one. Nice quick 30 bucks, guys. But yeah, I also promised the 39 videos coming, the finishing videos coming. I'm just working up the last few things on that, and that one's almost done, ready to drive, and we're gonna have a grand old time with it. But that's it for this one, guys. Until next time.